Assalamualaikum, sir. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Mohammad Shafai Tushen, and my ID is IT24667. And today I'm presenting smart home lighting and safety system. To implement this system, I have chosen the embedded system, which is called the ESP32. Why I have chosen these devices specifically? Because it has a built-in Wi-Fi module which could be connected with any other in devices such as smartphone uh, and laptop and desktop. Okay, whichever connected with the internet, we can be connected with this ESP32. And most beautiful thing about this module is that we don't have to be in that specific Wi-Fi system. It can be controlled from at any part of the world. That is the most beautiful thing about it. Okay, in order to build this project, I have used a buzzer, which is obviously for the security purpose, and a red LED and a green LED, and also a resistor. So all of these components has a two wire. One is called the live and one is called the ground. So all of the ground are commonly connected to the ground one port of the ESP32. Okay, then I have also connected the red LEDs live wire with the port of GPIO 26. GPIO means general purpose input output of ESP32. Then I have also connected the live wire of the green LED with GPIO of 26. Okay, and for the buzzer I have chosen 25, GPIO of 25. Okay, so here comes the code implementation. So, in order to connect it with the server, we have to also build a Blink template, which is represented over here. Let me show it and go through it. First of all, I have created a project, and I have named it project. We can just simply name it whatever we want. Then I have chose ease devices switches. For example, for the buzzer, we have selectively represented these buzzer switches, and for the green LED, we have created a green LED switches, and for the red LED, I have chosen these red LED switches. Okay, and each of them has a individual virtual port, switch, which is called V0 for the green one, V1 for the red, and V2 is for the buzzer. Okay, and we have also explicitly defined it on our code, and here is it. And what are these credential? Okay, so since we have connected our project embedded system design with the server, so that is why it gives us some unique IP addresses for this specific project. So that is the template ID, and this is the template main, which I have renamed as a template project, and also the authentication token, which has a unique hash code for specific for this project. Okay, this helps us to connect it with the backend of that Blink server. Okay, so then we have defined the port. So since I have already said that uh, GPIO 25 is for the buzzer pin, GPIO 26 is the green, and GPIO 27 is for the red LED. So we have also explicitly defined it over here. And for the virtual switch, we have defined three switches: V0, V1, and V2, and we also explicitly defined it on the Blink server over there and used it manually over there. Okay, from that server it takes input from our in devices, and then hence it processes it, and based on that input it just simply on and off that LED and buzzers. Okay, finally here comes our void. function, which is basically the main function, who is here serial dot begin defines that how much amount of bandwidth it is going to process per second. This number means this amount of bits is going to be processed per second. It can be also represented as a bandwidth. For the uniqueness of our each individual's project, I just simply printed these credentials such as my name and my ID. Okay, and this one is for the green, red, and buzzer, and this was the green. The rest of them are just obvious, and so that our project doesn't stop in the meantime, we have to keep iterating it in the loop. So I just defined a function which does it, which basically does that. It circulates over and over again. So let me try to demonstrate it in the real time. So I'm just going to start the simulation. It will just simply take some times. Okay, let me see it. Okay, so it will also give us some output based on our compiled project. So it will take some time. Let's be patient about it. So it is taking longer than usual. Hopefully it will run. Let us wait a little bit longer. Okay, it's taking a little bit longer than usual. Okay, let me retry it. Okay, restart the simulation. And okay, restart the simulation. Okay, finally it is connecting to the Blink cloud, and it is also connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so finally everything is just working just fine. And on the other hand, I'm also showing the Blink IO console, where is a project, and there is our three button. Um, okay, there is our three button. Okay, dashboard. We can use the dashboard. Okay, let us just simply sorry, devices, and we have to choose project, and yeah, it will just simply come. Okay, since we have three projects over there, just can simply show it. Okay, if I press this buzzer switch, the buzzer will be turned on. If I press the green switch, the green LED will be turned on, and if I press the red switch, the red LED will be turned on. So and the most beautiful thing about this project is that I can also control these in devices with my mobile phone via Blink.console app. So let me just demonstrate it real quick. I'm going to press the green button switch, and at the meantime the green switch LED will be also turned on. Okay, so hopefully it works. Red one. Okay, red one is connected, but green one is not connected. Why? Buzzer is also connected. Okay, due to the latency, it has delayed a little bit of second. Red is, I'm turning the red one off. Red one is turned off. Green one is also off. Green one is also off. Due to the latency, that was taking a little bit longer. Nothing else. When I turned on the green, it sends the signal to these backend devices, it processes it, and based on that process the green signal is also turning on. So when I turn on the red switch, it also turns on the red switch, and I'm going to turn off the buzzer and turn on the buzzer again. See, it is also generating some noises. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation. um, uh, and hopefully it will be beneficial for the rest of you.